Yoav Ventures is a cybersecurity-focused venture capital firm, investing at seed stage, backing the best entrepreneurs, pursuing the biggest ideas in cybersecurity.
And tell me what the criteria is before you decide if you want to invest in a cybersecurity startup.
So we're looking for founders that we can actually help and get to growth stage and ultimately build large companies. I always say look at the jockey as opposed to the horse. So 80% of the decision is the actual team. And that's also a function of our value-add services in marketing, sales, business development, operations, HR. We feel like if we have the right people to work with, we can make anything happen.
And speaking of growth and value add, tell me about a real-life example where Yoav Ventures significantly contributed to a startup's growth.
We backed the team. That team did really, really well and then came back to us for their next company. And so their current company is called Gutsy. So the journey started back in 2015. We did the seed. We then invested our pro rata in the A, B, and C. This was a company in the container security space. They sold the company to Palo Alto Networks, stayed in Palo Alto for 3 years, then wanted to start a new company. And so the whole team came back to us and we backed their new company, Gutsy, which is in the security governance process optimization space. And we're having a great time with them now again. And that's a wonderful story of a repeat entrepreneur coming to us.
Have your priorities or your business model, has it shifted at all as more cybersecurity companies are now implementing more and more AI into their business model?
AI is critical. So one of the areas I mentioned earlier, helping enterprises use AI through companies like AIM Security, there's another whole area which is how to use AI to do better security. For example, in the SOC, the Security Operations Center, applying AI to automate a lot of the processes that have been done manually for years. There's more and more automation. AI, especially Gen AI, can really, really help boost that, and we're actually looking for companies in this space.
And tell me about your panel. You had a panel with Dave DeWalt at Night Dragon, among others, at RSA. Tell me about that.
It's really fun because we get to talk about the latest trends and where we are right now as an industry, especially from an investment perspective. It's always extremely interesting, and I enjoy doing it, and I hope Dave invites me again next year.
Amazing. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for joining me today, Yoav.
Thank you. I appreciate coming. Thank you.